Ice cream, you scream. We all scream for ice cream. Alright, let's make some organic vanilla cinnamon ice cream, everybody. This is one of my favorites. It's so refreshing and the cinnamon is delightful. Using all organic ingredients for the ice cream, we use the same base recipe for all flavors of ice cream. Starting with 2 cups of half and half and 1 cup of sugar. We add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. The great thing about making our own ice cream is that we get to have all organic ingredients at an affordable price, and we're not having any hormones or anything from the dairy products, and we're not getting anything genetically modified in our sugars. At this point, we stir the half and half in sugar very gently to dissolve the sugar completely. Now here we know it's important to dissolve the sugar completely. However, from the cinnamon challenge, we know that cinnamon does not dissolve. So once the sugar is dissolved completely, then I'm ready to go ahead and add the rest of the base mixture. To complete the base recipe, we add 1 cup of heavy cream. I wait to add the heavy cream because I don't like to add any extra air to the mixture. I like dense ice cream. Then the mixture is ready to go into the Cuisinart ice cream maker. Check the bottom of the mixture to make sure that the sugar is dissolved, and then go ahead and pour it into the machine. 25 minutes later, your ice cream will be churned and ready to scoop into I like to upcycle sour cream containers or cottage cheese containers. So let me know in the comments below how you like this recipe and what kind of toppings you like to put on your ice cream. Always looking for new ideas.